I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Prezi. For that you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google. After you open up your web browser, search prezi.com on your search bar. This way you'll land on Prezi's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top right of your screen. Then tap on Get Started. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your email address. Set a password. Tap on the small square box in front of I am not a robot to verify you're a human. And if you are 13 years old or have reached the minimum age limit, tap on the other small square box. When you are done, tap on Continue. Select whether you're using individual account, student or educator's account, or business account. Then scroll down and select your plan according to your preference. After that, enter the email address of the colleagues you want to invite. And then tap on Send Invitations. This way you can sign up on Prezi. Now you can practice, watch, and present Prezis anywhere. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.